Hello my dear students, this is your biology teacher Shivani Dikshit from CPVN online classes. So dear students, in this video we are going to start the explanation of nervous tissue, right? It is class 9th topic according to ICSE board. Nervous tissue. What are the properties of this nervous tissue? It contains neurons. As I have told you that nerve cell is called unit of nervous tissue, right? Second property is neurons have star-shaped cell body called cyton. We will also understand with the help of diagram that what is cyton, what is dendron and all. The next property is these tissues are capable of perceiving the external and internal stimuli. And the next property is they are capable of transmission and conducting nerve impulses. If we talk about the definition of nerve cell or neuron, I have told you that it is the unit of nervous tissue. Clear? What are the parts of this neuron? These are as follows. Number 1, neuron have cyton, or it is also known as perikaryon, dendrons or dendrites, neuroplasm, axon, terminal arborization and synapse. We will understand all these terms in the diagram with their location and function well, right? Let's move towards this diagram. Now see, it is the diagram of the neuron. This is one nerve cell. Nerve cell. These type of millions and trillions of nerve cells got united to form nervous tissue, right? When this nervous tissue get formed, then a system formed called nervous system. Nervous system. So how nervous system made up of? By the units of nerve cells, nervous tissues, right? This is the diagram of the nervous cell, nerve cell or neuron. Now let's understand one by one. These branches like structure you are observing here surrounding the circle body, these are known as dendrons. These are known as dendrons, and this spherical or rounded body is called cyton or perikaryon. Inside this cyton body there is another spherical structure that is called nucleus. It is known as nucleus. This rounded body is known as nucleus, right? Next part is, in this nucleus or cyton body there is a fluid filled structure. That fluid is called neuroplasm. The fluid which is present in the nucleus is called neuroplasm, right? Then after there is another granules like a structure, they are called Nissel's granule. Why they are called Nissel's granule? Because the person name who have worked over that granules, his name was Nissel. So he has given these granules name by his own name, right? And what is the main function of this Nissel's granule? Actually, in nerve cell or neuron, these Nissel's granules does protein synthesis, right? The main function of this Nissel's granule is protein synthesis. Let's come over the term that is neurolemma. What is this neurolemma? It is actually this outer layer or outer surface of this axon body that covers the mass of this axon body. Then let's come to its medullary sheath. Medullary sheath is present inside the neurolemma. Inside the neurolemma it is present, and its main function is to provide insulation to the neurons, right? And the nucleus is also present in the axon body, as in the cyton nucleus is present, and in cyton nucleus is present, and in axon nucleus is also present. Then after there is another structure that is called node of Ranvier. As you know that these nodes, this is the node of Ranvier. They are present where the attachment part going to start. These are nodes of Ranvier. And why they are called nodes of Ranvier? These are nodes, but the person named Ranvier, he have discovered and worked over these nodes. He have studied these nodes, so the Ranvier named these nodes on his own name, right? So this is node of Ranvier. And then after this last structure is, you are observing, that is called terminal arborization, and these small balls like structure, that is called synapse. What is the main function of this synapse? Actually this synapse are like the attachment point between the two neurons, and there is a hormone present in these synapse called acetylcholine, and this acetylcholine help in the transmission of the message from one neuron to the another neuron. It forms a bridge between the two neurons, right? So this attachment point is called synapse. This is all about the structure of the neuron. So we have studied in this detail structure of the neuron and its properties are there. If you have any doubt or any question, so you can call me or message me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a nice day.